While you are creating an account for STEPN, you may be asked to enter an activation code. Here's a guide on how you can get one of these codes. You will need to go to STEPN's Telegram or Discord channel. On Telegram, there are a lot of users, and I would suggest filtering using the pinned messages. You can scroll up until you see a message similar to this one, where it shows you a link on how to get an activation code. STEPN has limited the number of activation codes to be 1000 per day. The codes will refresh at 1 PM UTC every day. Due to the high demand for the project, I would suggest that you obtain your activation code at this exact timing. Once you click on the link, you need to verify using a CAPTCHA. From my experience, I had to click on the link a few times before I could get my activation code. If you're unable to get your activation code, you will need to wait until the next day when the codes reset. You can copy your activation code and paste it on the sign up screen. Once this is done, you will now have created a STEPN account. The process is similar if you are using Discord. You can scroll down until the activation code channel. This contains a link where you can obtain your activation code. Once you have created a STEPN account, you can only start to earn after obtaining a sneaker. You can buy a sneaker on the marketplace. However, one sneaker may cost a few Solana, and it is quite expensive. The next step will be to create a Solana wallet, and you can check out my guide here for more information.